The Food and Agriculture Organization has already sounded the alarm on the need for more sources of protein. With a growing world population, the UN agency says there's a need for an additional 250 million tons of protein annually by 2050. And they believe this should be achieved using new and sustainable ways. Protein sources can be broadly categorized into animal and plant-based foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and soy products. But under the threat of climate change, these are no longer seen as reliable or sustainable. Scientists from the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research in South Africa believe they have found a solution. It's called mycoprotein.
You know, if we think about our homes and our families, we're always looking for nutritional sources of proteins, and how do we best incorporate protein into our diets without necessarily consuming meat and meat products. So what the mycoprotein is, it is an alternative protein source. So it's essentially vegan because there's no animal products that go into its manufacture. And we make this mycoprotein, and which is then able to be formulated in different types of food and beverages. So it can go into your vegetarian products, which we traditionally associate with soya-based products. You can look at it into soups, beverages, nutritional shakes that you make up. So the applications are very wide.
Mycoprotein is a fungal-based protein product, and it can be manufactured in a sustainable way. The bioprocess involves the fermentation of fungi using renewable substrates and optimized conditions. In so doing, it offers a nutritious and environmentally friendly alternative to conventional meat proteins. The CSIR is now working with a local company called MycoSure to produce the protein on a grander scale. The CSIR says the SMME they created this for will be leveraging this technology using fungal protein for the first time in Africa to help address global food security and address many environmental concerns.
Now in our space we're producing protein, and what we're doing is we realize we need to produce food in a more efficient, climate resilient and sustainable way. And what we've taken is a natural process, highly efficient, where microorganisms like fungi are able to recycle and upcycle nutrients, and we're taking that process to industrial scale. So there are a number of benefits to the technology. Commercially, it's highly scalable, very efficient. So we're able to produce protein in a controlled environment, literally in a couple of days.
As the CSIR, we provide skills and expertise to local companies and startup companies like MycoSure. We have the infrastructure that is not widely available in the country nor the continent. And with this partnership, we are able to offer that support while boosting the local bioeconomy, creating more jobs and doing skills transfer.
According to the two entities, mycoprotein uses significantly less water in its production compared to traditional animal-based proteins. The CSIR also says mycoprotein emits fewer greenhouse emissions like carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide than commercial animal protein manufacturing. Yodisa Njamela for CGTN in Pretoria, South Africa.